Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag is here to make those worries disappear. This tiny tracker is a game changer for anyone wanting to keep tabs on keys, wallets, or even luggage. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology. Imagine an arrow on your iPhone screen, guiding you exactly to your lost item down to the foot. It's like magic. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just a single tap near your iPhone and you're connected instantly. No complicated pairing, just instant peace of mind, making it perfect for even the least tech-savvy users. And for those everyday mishaps, its IP67 water and dust resistance means it can handle splashes and dirt without a problem. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker on the market, check out the Apple AirTag via the Amazon link below for current pricing and availability. Unlike generic trackers, AirTag leverages Apple's vast Find My network, so millions of devices help locate your item, even when it's far away. For unmatched accuracy, effortless integration, and robust build, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-buy in 2025.